Another day in Sierra Leone, and there are more bodies to be cleared from the streets. Ebola is spreading fast across the country and neighboring Guinea and Liberia. Nearly 4,000 people have died, and the number is rising.
Minister of Foreign Affairs, Brende.
In Washington, during a meeting between the World Bank and IMF, a top US official said he hasn't seen anything like this for decades.
I will say that in the 30 years I've been working in public health, the only thing like this has been AIDS. And we have to work now so that this is not the world's next AIDS.
Following America's decision on Wednesday, the UK has now announced it will be screening people arriving at 2 international airports and a train station. It will focus on people arriving from key countries affected by the outbreak.
Our focus is on keeping the travelling public and our colleagues safe at Heathrow. We will work with the government to make sure we can implement measures to screen passengers if there's any risk of contamination at the airport.
The UK Foreign Office is also investigating reports of a British citizen suspected of having Ebola who has died in Macedonia. In Madrid, concern has grown about the nursing assistant who became infected after treating a patient. Thousands of miles away in Australia, another nurse who was in quarantine has tested negative for Ebola. Sue Ellen Kovac was working in Sierra Leone. But healthcare workers are at a high risk of getting infected. According to the World Health Organization, more than 240 healthcare workers in Guinea, Liberia, Nigeria and Sierra Leone have developed the disease. That is 1 in every 20 infected people. More than 120 healthcare workers have died from the virus, and that is 1 in every 16. Every death of a healthcare worker significantly diminishes the ability of countries to respond to Ebola effectively. The race is on to find a cure. The pharmaceutical giant GlaxoSmithKline has started production of 10,000 doses of a vaccine. It's an unprecedented decision considering that trials are at such an early stage.